Summary of the lecture delivered by Dr. Zakir Naik of Bombay, India, on the misconceptions about Islam, on Friday, November 26, 1999 at the Rakkah Stadium, Dammam, under the aegis of the Islamic Dawah and Guidance Center, Dammam. The meeting was coordinated by Mr. Ahmed Nooruddin of New York. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. May peace be with you and may God's mercy and blessings be on you. It is my honor to be here for the third time in 3 years. The topic of my lecture today is misconceptions about Islam. It is the duty of every Muslim to help remove some of the misconceptions non-Muslims have about Islam. By engaging in a dialogue with the non-Muslims, you will help lessen the level of anti-Muslim feelings in their hearts. These misconceptions prevent non-Muslims from seeing the beauty of Islam. Misconception number 2. There is no equality between genders in Islam, as Islam gives men the right to have more than one wife, but does it not give the same right to women to have more than one husband? Reply. Islam does not approve of polyandry, i.e., a woman taking up more than one husband. It is the male whose children the women bear. If a woman had multiple husbands, it would not be easy to know who is the biological father of the child. When a child is conceived, God puts love and affection in the hearts of the parents so that they can bring up the child. Without this love, life cannot be sustained. But if there was dispute about who really has fathered the child, there would be no love in the heart of the fathers. Psychologists say that children who grow up without knowing who their father is, are lacking in stability and maturity. These days, because of scientific progress in DNA testing, one can say who the father is. But these tests were not available for mankind till now. Islam has historically provided for peace and stability in the family, not discord.